want to tie.
Mm-hmm.
Now I want to do it. I want to do it.
And we can eat it together. Would you like to put some extra olives or cheese? Cheese? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing very well today. Now I'll be showing you how I make my penne pesto salad with a very few ingredients. I'll show you the ingredients very quickly. Now this is a tomato and feta cheese. This is some pitted olives, 500 grams of penne pasta, some pesto, and today I wanted to have some extra Danish feta. So this is actually optional. It's entirely up to you if you want that, but alright, so let's get started. First we have to boil our penne pasta, so you really want that to go to the softer side instead of being al dente, because when you chill the pasta it's going to get at this stage just put everything that you have. And mix.